Doing a quick little video of an updated tour. As you see, I'm not in the shop anymore. I'm at home now. Well, we're going to start out with the Cornwall Pro Series. I think it's 500 series. There's a part number, I think, on the back of this. It is the P5600. There you go. Here's a part number for you guys on this one because everybody's been asking about it. It sits the same height as the Platinum Series toolbox from Cornwall, the new 84. We're unlocked. First top drawer is sockets. As you saw in my red box, everything hasn't really changed much, but we got Sonex impact sockets right here, adapters, wrenches, and then first drawer, yes, I have no shoes on. Living that dream of doing that now, and I'm about to actually work on my truck. Got your cutters, precision pliers, scrapers. These guys up here, key set, bit set from Cornwall. It was like 24 bucks. Nice little bit set. Fuel adapter set, impact, driver, another Allen key set, and standard oil filter caps, or for the oil filter caps, sockets for that. Good old fashioned wire brushes, voltmeter, extra voltmeter actually. Next drawer is torch bits. Good stuff. Quarter-inch set is in the Duralast. Nothing special about Duralast. It's just a good little quarter-inch set that I keep around. Brake depress, infrared thermometer, air brake tools, air brake line tools, battery cable, or battery kit from Easy. Oh, I like that. That's a puller. Easy Red. Comes with everything you need. It was like Cornwall special for me. You can get it on Amazon too. Big wrenches, angled wrenches, and big wrenches. Big BA pliers. These are 22-inch. PC22 from Mecco. Lady fingers. In this drawer, just the tire pressure monitor, or the tire pressure tool, TPMS tool, tire pressure tool, one of the two, or you guys like to call it. That likes to fall out on me. In this drawer, race and seal driver set, and then that's my heavy duty scan stuff for my scan tool that's sitting on my main box. Main box has scan tool, which goes to heavy duty and light duty, battery jump box, and then fan clutch tool, bag, just an empty bag. 2 empty torque wrench boxes. There's a hood light and a slim stick right behind that. First drawer hasn't changed really too much besides sockets. Everything is still roughly about the same. I just got the shallow FTX sockets, and those sockets are freaking awesome. No, I had the shallow, I got the deep. That's what happened. I got the deep impacts, and it goes all the way to 20 from 6. So that's the top drawer. I don't think really much else has changed since. Rinse drawer, still about the same. With pry bar, speed wrenches, or however you like to call these guys, more speed wrenches. And this size, I found this size a little bit more convenient than, or the ratcheting more convenient than these guys, because I was in a tight spot, needed them. Diagnostic drawer hasn't changed much. Electronic fuel tester, caliper, remote starter switch, relays, bypass relays, jumpers and probe kit, another voltmeter. This is the good working one. Battery tester, stethoscope, leads, test light, all the good stuff. I think the only things that have been added since is the PT boot clamp. I use this on the 6.7 Power Strokes as well. Use that to clamp or unclamp the pesky little square clamps that you see on most of these new coolant lines and all that. Got those guys. What else? Just pretty much the whole plier drawer. That's pretty much all the pliers. Crescent wrenches, adjustable pliers or crescents as well. Hammers, scrapers, pry bars, big pipe wrench, air drawer, air drill, air hammer, 3/8 impact, air nozzle, sander. There's your Husky kit with the air hammer, 1/2 inch, and ratchet and Dremel tool. Comes with all that good stuff right there. And the air hammer bits are back there. Move on to the power drawer. Power drawer. Don't think this was in the last video. The new stubby 3/8. This thing has a sweet little impact. I tell you what, I think this is like 600 or 250 to 600, somewhere in between there, breaking foot-pounds of torque. Battery charger for the Snap-on 14.4. There is a charger socket from Snap-on. I don't think it has anything left. Oh, 36%. 1/2 inch Milwaukee drill, 3/8 Milwaukee flashlight, light, all that good stuff. DEF refractometer, pressure test kit, magic hose. In here, my grinder, hood, fender protector, your Duramax flywheel locking tool. Here's the LV7 coolant cup or injector cup puller. Combustion leak test. Hood prop. Diesel Extreme from Hot Shot Secrets. A pad. Adapters for this scan tool. More adapters for this scan tool, I should say. This drawer, we got big impact. I think this goes all the way up to 46. Swivels, shallow and deep. 12 point, just not swivel. Oxygen sensor kit from Macro. Pretty good little kit. Anything and everything I want to, really. This is your good old-fashioned junk drawer with the paperwork for that box over here, the 600. This light right here, a couple of people asked about. Snap-on had it one time, mounts onto your shirt or something on the back. I think it was pretty cool. It's battery operated. I think it was like only 20 bucks or so. It's pretty bright. It's like a coal miner light in a way. Screwdrivers, Allen keys, angled feeler gauges, interior pick set. I use that pick though for a lot of other things than just interior. Another part of the interior pick set, big screwdriver, another screwdriver that's just in there, another pick set. O-ring picks, file, truck brakes. This guy right here is a seal picker. You can use it for back of transmissions and a couple other uses I found for it because of this bigger one that you can put on there for adapter. I got that actually at Tractor Supply along with those. Coolant hose pick, brake tool for the spring or brake spring tool or parking brake spring, and then this is where you can take the drum brake and put the spring in. Well, that's why I found a good use for it. Chisels, roll pin punch set, wire brushes, fuel adapter or fuel and AC adapter kit or disconnect kit. Tappet set from AutoZone, works pretty good. This is a coolant tester kit, or coolant pressure tester. The power probe torch, or to fix that. Yeah, this is a tap and die kit, and snap ring pliers. Oh, and then under the snap ring pliers is my scope, and snap-on creeper, mechanic's belt, magnet, cup holder, has a rag in it right now, and that's about it. And then just your hand towel kit, or your hand towels and wipes, and then some really good brake cleaner. So this is pretty much the whole 9 yards. I was just kicking back a cooler. So if any questions, give me a holler. I know JRC54 was interested in seeing what this looked like. The part number is in the video. If any more questions, you can ask me on Instagram at JT@TexDieselVids. I'll show you actually on the side, just so you guys can see. There you guys go.